Hi, I'm Michelle Jorgensen with Mount Mahogany Steak Self-Reliance and Emergency Preparedness. Today I'm going to talk about why it's so important to store water. A lot of people think that the 72-hour kit is the first thing that you should work on, but I disagree because I want you to think about most emergencies that we're going to have happen. Let's say it's an extreme snowstorm or some sort of a natural disaster, we have power outage, those sorts of things. We're going to stay home if that happens. Most of those emergencies, we won't be evacuating our home. Well, a 72-hour kit is for when we evacuate. Most of the time, we're going to be staying home. So, what are we going to need at home? I want to introduce you to something called the rule of threes. In any sort of an emergency, basically, we can live for 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. So if you think about that, obviously air is the most important, and we can't really prepare much for that one. But the next one is 3 days without water. We need to store water, and it's actually more important than it is to store food. We can go much longer than we think we can without food, but without water, we're going to be in big trouble from a hydration standpoint as well as a sanitation standpoint. So that is the most important thing to start with, is storing water.